Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English class. Today we are going to see a short tutorial on pronouns. As you can see on the blackboard, what is pronouns? Pronouns are words that are put in place of nouns to avoid repetitive. What is nouns? Nouns basically refer to people, animal, things or place. And repetitive meaning repeating the noun again and again in a sentence. So pronouns can avoid that. As you can see on the blackboard, these are the two main types of pronouns. So in simple English, personal pronoun refers to yourself and possessive pronoun refers to the things that you have. As you can see on the blackboard, these are the examples of personal pronouns. So the colorful boxes, you use it to begin a sentence, and the orange color boxes, you use it between the sentence. Let's look at the example in the next slide. As you can see on the blackboard, the first example is without pronouns. So Rahul and the cake is being repeated many times. The second sentence is with pronouns. So Rahul is replaced with he, the cake is replaced with it, Rahul is replaced with him because him comes at the end of the sentence. As you can see on the blackboard, we have a chart. On the left hand side is the personal pronouns and on the right hand side is the possessive pronouns. So we can see the connection of the personal pronoun and what is the possessive pronoun for the personal pronoun. As you can see on the blackboard, this is an example of possessive pronoun. The first sentence is without possessive pronoun, so we say Rahul's, Rahul's. But the second sentence is with possessive pronoun, so the Rahul's, we change it to his. As you can see on the blackboard, this is an example of the combination of both pronouns. The first sentence is without any pronouns. The second sentence is with both pronouns. So the yellow is personal pronouns. The red color is possessive pronouns. That is all for today's lesson. Please subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel so that you can get updated with new tutorial videos. We'll see students in the next lesson. For resources, click on the blog link shared in the description box below. Thank you.